That's an interesting dress. Huh? What's this about? It's about my bank account. Wait, does that say I have $0? Ah! My life is ruined! I can't even go back into my house! Oh, poor me. All I have is my little suitcase. And the clothes on my back. Wish I had more. What's going on over there? That lady's got a whole fire going. Nice. Mind if I squeeze in here? Hello? I'm just gonna borrow this, okay? Hey! This is mine! Get your own! Oh, you wanna be mean about it? Oh-ho! Game on! Ugh! Wait a minute. Maybe I can use this. Looks like plans for a castle. Nice, right? I think we can figure something out. Let's get building, shall we? Having any luck over here, Cheryl? Mind if I take a look at it? This may help. We just have to make a good foundation. And that should give us a good starting point. We'll just make an educated guess. And I think that should do for now. You know what all this means, right? We need money to make it happen. Say no more. You know what to do. Yep. I'll wait. Where is this stuff? Oh! The lumber has arrived! Thanks, guys! Here's the updated invoice, ladies. Oh, hold on. Let's see here. I got nothing! Don't hate me! Oh, well, I guess I can cover it. Here. Whoa! You take diamonds, right? How many are on that thing? I accept! See ya! Now we've gotta get to work! Ready to do a little lifting? I think we've got plenty to work with. Never used one of these before. Can't hear you over all the sanding action! Oh yeah! I think this is actually working. Time to level up! Perfection! Okay, boards up. Anybody home? Oh, howdy there! Check it out! This ain't half bad! But wait! We still have to paint. One step ahead of ya. Isn't this shade of pink fabulous? It just makes me so happy. I'm more of a green gal myself. Nice. And now we have the best of both worlds. Ta-da! It's spectacular! Hello from my new window! Wow, this place is really coming together. Grace is still sleeping? Okay, Grace. Rise and shine. Huh? Oh, way! Gee, so hostile. I need this bubble wrap. Thanks. Ah! Ah! Cheryl, not so fast! Whoa! Thanks a bunch. What do you need all that for? No way! I think we should use green. No, pink! Green is way better! No, pink! This is it! Huh? No, pink! Green! Just listen to me, will ya? Or… oh yeah! I think we can compromise on this one. Now stay on your side, okay? A nice long straight line. Ouch! Is somebody watching us? Just enjoy the show, I guess. Woohoo! Just call me the big bad green machine. Uh-huh. But I like to think of myself as a pretty pink princess. Isn't it just a treat for the eyes? You can say that again. Well, that was fun. And now for the best part. Yep. Ready for this? Hope this works out. Now lay it down. Ready, set, stomp! You can watch all you want. Woohoo! This is so fun! Whew, and quite tiring. What's it look like under there? Oh, wow! Oh, this is seriously awesome! It looks like a fancy painting or something. Almost like it has a mind of its own. A true masterpiece. Brilliant! I'm not letting you win this round. We'll just see about that. Good luck. Oh, I don't need luck here. Huh? Don't do it! Please don't Wait! No! Anything but the middle spot! That's how it's done. Huh? Delivery. I wasn't expecting a package, were you? This thing's huge, isn't it? I guess. I mean, look! I can fit inside! Whoa! What else is in there, Grace? Foam mat coming in hot! And what do I do with this thing? What are you doing now? Gah! Grace? You okay in there? Can you hear me? Wait! Did you fall asleep in the box? She looks so peaceful. Ah! I'm awake now! Time to get to work on this thing. Just have to make a few marks here. Now it's really coming together. Any guess as to what it is? That's better. Now's where the real magic begins. Last piece is officially in. Check out all these gorgeous curves. It really is a magnificent chair. Just top it off with a soft blanket. And position it a bit. And you've got yourself a cozy chair! Wow! I want a chair like that for my side! Actually, I have something better in mind. Just need to rearrange a couple of things. Okay, a lot of things. Time to staple, people! Ha! These things sure are powerful. And they'll hold everything together. I just have a few more of them to go. And done! Just have to top it off with Mr. Blanket here. Ooh, looking better already. Oops, forgot your other fin, buddy. And your eyes. Isn't this the cutest thing you've ever seen? And he's all mine to snuggle with. What's going on over there? Way to go, Cheryl! Good night! Oh, I'll definitely have sweet dreams on this thing. How long have I been asleep? I fell asleep in my makeup again? Gross! Huh? What a peculiar pillow. And it has someone's face on it. Looks like it's Grace to the rescue! If you've ever ruined a pillow like this, there's no need to throw it away. Some paint and strategically placed tape can go a long way. And I think the more colors, the better. There! Now there's only one thing left to do. Remove all that tape. Which is oddly satisfying, I think. All done! There! Good as new! And just in time for my nap. Ah, that's nice. So comfy. Hey, what's with all the flying hearts? Gotcha! Cool. Now what can I do with this thing? Of course! I know just what to do. But I'll need just a few more of these. And a decent amount of string. There, now they're all linked together. Aren't these just the cutest decorations? I just love being crafty. Yay! They just make me smile. Whoa! Check out all of this junk! Or as we call it, new stuff for a mini house! There's no limit on what you can design if you simply think outside the box. Especially a cardboard one. You can create any style you'd like. The limits are truly endless. Phew! I can't believe we live here! Bravo to us! Wish you could create your own tiny house? What would be the first thing you'd put in it? Let us know and don't forget to share this video with your creative friends. And remember to subscribe for more helpful DIY content. I'm so excited to finally have our own place! Are we sure we're in the right spot? This one seems a little… gross. 8-legged roommates? No way! Ladies, let's make this place our own. Ew. That has got to go. Ugh. Nope. Definitely not salvageable. Ugh. Move it! It's amazing what a little elbow grease can do. All done. Where's Cheryl? Hey. Looking for me? What's all that for? Oh, of course! Every apartment needs one thing. Well, aside from a bathroom, of course. Yep, you guessed it. We built ourselves our very own bed. Correction. A triple bunk bed. Did you know plants purify the air? And they look great, too. Excuse me? Oops. Sorry about that. Hey! Wanna see a nifty trick? Use a ring like this. And tie your favorite color tulle around it. There! Now I feel like a princess! Guys, look! Oh. I wish I had something like that. I know. Perfect. Now you sit right there, okay? And I can weave this through the holes. Just make sure it's not too tight. Do you know what it is? Just a little warm light. See? Cheese! The queen has moved in. Huh? I want a cool backdrop like that. It's so me, right? Even Sophia has something! I feel left out. Wait. How cute is this headboard? Let's try this again, shall we? Fit for a queen, I'd say. Oh, yeah. Sophia! Essie's officially lost it. So silly. Hey, to each your own, right? Is there any better sound in the world? Just what I was craving. Man, I could eat 1,000,000 of these. Huh? Yeah? Care to share? No? Hey! You can't hog all of those! Just watch me! Hey! It's green versus pink, baby! Hey! Don't hit so hard! Ugh! That's it! Ha! Hey! That was a pretty good shot! I'd say so. Hey! My pillow's ruined! I wasn't even involved in the fight. But a few stains doesn't mean it's garbage. Put the stencil on the fabric and use a stamping brush like this. Eventually, it'll look as cool as this. Done! Isn't it beautiful? Huh? Where'd you get that? I only use pretty pillows. See? We made quite a mess, huh? Ugh. Time to make myself a new one, then. Lay down the blanket and put painter's tape like this. And now comes the paint. I chose green, obviously. I'm just doing this one stripe first. Then do a gradient design. White comes last. And now for the most satisfying part. Now that's a clean line. Check out my new pillowcase. I bet I can do one better. First, let's change the shape. These look an awful lot like eyes. And cheeks. How cute is this guy, huh? Truce. Sounds good to me. Aw. Who wants to fight next? Is there anything better than a potato chip? Huh? Drew! What? That all happened so fast! What's this? What's Cheryl doing over there? Huh? Okay, what's in this thing anyway? Hangers? Ooh! What's this? Maybe we can make something here. I've got my eye on that thing. Sophia? How are you reaching that far? Got it! Phew! This is all I need. I'm happy with this. But first I've gotta make a cool shape. Some green will make it more interesting. It's my favorite color after all. Gotta be careful around those edges. Now flip it around and press. That should be good. Now lift it very carefully. Ta-da! Isn't it spectacular? There! I want something cool like that. I'll just have to make it myself. And what better hue than gold? Once it's dry, put hot glue all along this end. Stop halfway and put another hanger on top. Once it's dry, put it against the side of a wooden tray. I made a little table! Now I can use my computer in bed. Is this brilliant or what? I know! I sure do love butterflies! So why not use some in my jar? Once the glue's on, put it underneath inside the jar. Add in any shapes you want. And now for a little pop of color. And surprise, surprise! I'm using pink! Keep going until you fill in on the space. Almost finished! There! Now put in some twinkle lights. Isn't that magical? This serves as a great nightlight. Whoa! This story's getting crazy. Sophia? Aw, I'm just gonna hold it. Crafting sure makes you tired. Uh-oh. This can't end well. Good. They're asleep. Don't wake up. Don't wake up. That didn't feel good. My foot! I can't take it anymore. Huh? What? Stupid toys everywhere. What gives? It's the middle of the night. What's the matter with you? Well, I, brought you this. Cool! They're like little shelves. Perfect for the top bunk. And they're pink. You don't have to hold that anymore, Essie. Just keep your phone right here. Oh. Looks like I have some fixing to do. I think I know what to do. Place the frame on its side. And add 2 more. Use hot glue on all their edges. Then attach a long wooden rod. Once it's dry, you've got shelves. But let's make it a little prettier. And Essie loves her golden hues. It's looking much better already. Don't you think? All finished. Gee, this is awesome, Cheryl! Phew. Oh. I wonder what I can make with this thing. First, let's paint it a different color. White serves as a great base. Keep going until you've covered the whole board. Remember this guy? That's better. Now put each half here. And add some more. Ta-da! Now these things can do some good. And they're not scattered on the floor. Awesome! Thanks for holding my stuff, guys. Perfect. Thank you. Thank you! This is awesome! Sure. Talk about some damage control. Is this an impressive before and after or what? It's awesome! Wait, who's that? Hey guys! Looking for a roommate? 'Cause I am. I guess we can make some room. Are you inspired by the triple bunk bed idea? Make your own at home with these awesome hacks. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends.